So you might be asking yourself, what's the goal of this trip? Well, outside of a commemorative baseball at Globe Life Park and doing the tour, I think the first and foremost thing is checking out some tiny houses and seeing if they are indeed in my future. Let's take a look inside these tiny houses. So here we are in the bedroom of the first one that I'm seeing. And I like it so far. The dream here is to, in a perfect world, be kind of in the middle of nowhere, flat open land, picture some mountains in the background, maybe Utah, Colorado, Arizona, something beautiful. A lot of land, small house, a lot of animals. The dream. Looks like that's where the magic happens. Some new ones coming off. Just so you know, plenty of room. Not gonna hit my head. Full size. Nice bedroom. And we'll go upstairs. To the upper area, another bedroom. Maybe an EV room. And here's the bigger model. Nice full kitchen. Full living room there. Bath again. And there's a bedroom. I believe the larger bedroom is over here. Yep.